Welcome to this channel IBM classes. In my previous video I discussed about CTE in DB2, that is common table expressions. So we talked about three types, how we can use the CTEs actually. So in my previous video I share you how we can use the CTE in SQL, and that was a very basic example for that. So we also discussed that we can reference our CT in uh, result of that CT in multiple times in an SQL query. So in this video we will surely talk about how we can reference the same CT results multiple time in our SQL queries. So we'll talk about that. So last time we created two tables. Select a star from employee. This one, employee ID and employee name was there, and the salary, employee ID and salary was there. So we basically created the CTEs like this with CTE1 as select a dot empid comma a dot emp name comma b dot salary b dot salary from employee as a left join salary as b on p dot empid is equals to p dot empid. So we'll join on based on the employee ID, because employee ID is common in both the tables. We'll join these two tables using left join. We'll select the employee ID, employee name and salary from these two tables. So this was the CT definition. Now we'll select star from CT1. So this was the basic CTE that we have created in the last video. So we have employee ID, employee name and salary. Now we will use the same result that was created here in the CTE multiple times in our same SQL statement. So let's ease down, and now so we have select a star from CTE1. Oh yeah, suppose I want to use the salary again, salary here, where salary equals to this is open and then closed. Salary is equal to select salary salary from CTE1. So we have referenced the same CT result multiple times in the SQL query. So this I am using the second time. Select salary from CTE1, or what we can say, where salary is greater than, say, 50,000. Okay, it will be having in, because select is having more than one result. So these are the people whose salary are more than 50,000. So they are selected here in the city. Suppose I just mention like 2,50,000. So this one is the person who has a max salary, or we can directly use this one. We can use the inbuilt functions like max. So we could max salary. So this person has a maximum salary of 5 lakh, whose employee ID is 4 and name is Anuj. So we have selected an employee having the maximum salary. So this is the CTE. And this CTE, we have referenced the same results of the CTE in multiple times in the same query. So this video basically about how we can reference the CTE result multiple times in the same query. So this is all about this video, and thank you and have a nice time.